Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Business Manager account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Business Manager or you can simply visit business.facebook.com. Now click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and click on Business Manager. Now click on Open Business Manager Settings. Scroll down. Click on Business Info. Now in top right corner, click on Permanently Delete Business. Click on it and it will ask for confirmation. I have some issues with my business manager, that is the reason it is showing like that. After confirmation, it will take 24 hours to delete your business manager. Meanwhile, in this time you can restore your business manager as well. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.